Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you these so simple fingerless gloves. I made this brim part. Also you can make it more longer, or if you don't want to make this, you don't need to make that. Only two rounds repeating, so simple stitches using. I made here an I-cord. I told everything in the video. Also you can use this I-cord part any of your projects. You can use it where your projects not want to twist. There you can use them. Okay, so simple. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. If my video comes so speedy, please click here, slow me down, and also again you can click here and slow me down. Hope you like and you will try. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple fingerless gloves. Let's start to crochet. I use in my glove size 3 yarn. This is 100 gram one ball and it's equal to 210-230 meters gets, and using 4mm hook. With that you can choose your yarn. For this pattern you need multiples of 3, but it needs to be even number. Okay, don't forget you can choose any yarn. Be careful that multiples of 3, but your multiples needs to be even number. First of all, make a slip knot. Look at this slip knot. Take this yarn like that, grab your yarn in it, then make chain 1, then that yarn, pull it and lock it. Then make your chains 1, 2, 3, 4. I will make here 36 chains. You make your control. It gets comfortably turning on your wrist. Okay, I make my 36 chains and turn to you. Look at this, it turns easily. You can make it 30, 36, 42. Maybe your yarn so thick you can make 24. Okay, you will make your multiples of 6 actually. Sorry, multiples of 6, yes. Bad maths. Then join two sides together. Here. Get them together. You can see these back loops. Okay, insert this very first here and join with a slip stitch to both sides. Then not make chain 3. Also you can make chain 3, but lose my loop and twist it like that 2 times. Then yarn over and insert in the same stitch, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, count as my first double. Then yarn over and insert the next back loop here. Look at this. Grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the next. Grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Make double crochet in each stitch. Okay. I will make my double crochets using back loop because I want to this clear edge looking here. I will make double crochet in each stitch. At the end of this round I will have 36 double crochet. I complete and turn to you. I come to end. This is the last stitch. Take my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. I have 36 double crochet. Then come to the first stitch, stop here and join with a here, join with a slip stitch. Now you can make again one chain and make your stitch. Also you can make again, lose your loop, twist it twice time, yarn over and insert your hook front to back, then front. Crochet here 1 front post, double crochet. Then yarn over, insert your hook this time, back to front, then back, grab your yarn, pull through to make 1 back post double crochet, front post double crochet, back post double crochet, front post, back post, 1 front post, 1 back post, make your stitches, come to end, and I will turn to you. I come to end with back post double crochet, come to the first stitch, stop and join with a slip stitch. Then lose my loop again and twist it twice time, yarn over, and make front post on front post, make back post on back post, front post on front post, back post on back post. I will repeat it with this round 3 times. Totally I have here 4 rounds brim part. Okay, you can make your brim part which length you want. Okay, short or long, you can choose that. I will complete my 3 rounds after turn to you. I come to end. I repeated totally brim part 4 rounds, 1 round double crochet, totally 5 rounds I crocheted. Now we will start our pattern. It's so simple, only 2 rows repeating. You will see that. Come to the first stitch top and join with a slip stitch, then chain 1, not content, insert into the same stitch, grab your yarn, make single crochet, then chain 2 and insert into the same stitch again and make 1 more single crochet, skip 2, insert into the third one, make single, chain 2, insert into the same stitch and make 1 more single crochet, skip 2, insert into the third, make single, chain 2, insert into the same, make 1 more single crochet. First round like that. Skip 2, insert into the third one, make single, chain 2, single in the third stitch, then skip 2 and do the same thing again. I complete this first round and turn to you. I come to end, make my here, skip 2, insert the third one, make single, chain 2 in the same stitch, make single crochet. Then join it to the first single crochet here, join with a slip stitch. Then make 1 more slip stitch and come to chain 2 space. Then lose your loop. Also you can make here chain 3. Twist it twice time, yarn over, insert into the same chain 2 space, grab your yarn, pull through 2, 1, insert into the same chain 2 space, 2, yarn over, insert into the same chain 2 space, 3. Make 3 double crochet in chain 2 space, then yarn over, come to next chain 2 space and make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, come to next chain 2 space, 1, 2, 3. Make 3 double crochet in each chain 2 space. Okay, complete this second round and turn to you. I complete my double crochets, come to the first double stop and join with a slip stitch. Then make 1 more slip stitch and come to previous round's second double crochet stop. Chain 1 and not count, insert into the same stitch and make single, chain 2 and make single crochet in the same stitch again. Repeat the first row. We will make this single crochet, chain 2, single crochet on the second double stop. Skip 2, come to second double stop and make single crochet, chain 2 and single crochet. Skip 2, come to second double stop, make single, chain 2 and single on the same stitch. Then make 3 double crochet in chain 2 space. Okay, I will repeat this first and the second round 5 times. Totally I have here 10 rounds After that, I will turn to you when I start the 6th set, only making this single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, then make my finger hole. I will tell you, I will repeat it 5 times and turn to you. I repeat it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6th set. Okay, not 5, 6 set, but not complete these 3 double crochet groups. Here 1, 2, I made here the last one, 1, 2, 3 double crochet in chain 2 space. Then skip these 2 chain 2 space. I will make here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 chains, not crochet these chain 2 space and come to the first double stop, join with a slip stitch, make 1 more slip stitch, chain 1, not count, insert here, make single, chain 2 and make single. Repeat the first round again. Come to here and turn to you. I come to this 6 chain space. I made here my single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. Now do the same thing, skip 2, insert into the third one, make single crochet, chain 2, into the same stitch, make single crochet, skip 2, insert into the third, make single crochet, chain 2 and single crochet in the same stitch. Come to first top and join with a slip stitch, make 1 more slip stitch and come to chain 2 space. Lose your loop, twist twice time, yarn over, insert into the same and make here 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Come to next space and make 1, 2, 3. Do the same thing. Here single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, first round 3 double crochet, 2, repeat it. This is the first one, the second, the third, the fourth. Totally 4 rounds I crochet 1, this is the second one, 2 rounds more I crochet. Then I will turn to you and I will show you how you can finish your gloves with this I-cord. I will show you. I complete and turn to you. I come to the end and join with a slip stitch. We crochet here 1, 2, 3 and 4 rounds. Now I will show you how you can finish your gloves with I-cord. Chain 1 and not count. Then you see here loop, I insert my hook from here. Then insert my hook next stitch, grab my yarn and slip stitch from the first loop. I have 2 loops, pull through all together. Then you see here 2 loops, I insert the second one, then insert the next stitch, grab my yarn, make slip stitch from the first one, then I have 2 loops, pull through all together. You have 2 loops, you can see that. I insert from the second one, then insert this very next stitch here, grab my yarn, make slip stitch from the first one. I have 2 loops, pull through all together. Insert the second, next stitch, grab my yarn, make slip stitch from the first one, make single crochet actually. Here, next stitch, grab, slip stitch from the first one. I have 2 loops, pull through all together. You will turn like that, all of them. Come to end and turn to you. I finished my I-cord and make here slip stitch and join that. That's finished. Look at this. This pattern is so beautiful and so easy. Hope you like it and you will try that. You can use this I-cord any of your projects. not if you don't want to twist some beanies edges or sweaters arm parts, if you don't want to twist them, you can use this I-cord. Hope you like it and you will try that. If you have any questions, please leave me comments. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.